911. Do you need police?
There's a guy with a knife trying to stab people at Livingston Park with kids in Long Beach. The park in Livingston. Get a police officer here. He stabbed 2 people. Oh my God, he just stabbed a guy right now. Oh my God.
It's occurring now?
I'm breastfeeding in my car. He's beaten one of the fathers of a kid right now. Get police here now. Livingston Park, Long Beach.
Livingston Park.
He's stabbing him.
Okay, is that near?
Mexican with a beard. He's wearing a black jacket, jeans. He's probably 5'9". I can't get in there right now because I have a baby and I'm breastfeeding. There's people running. Get police officers, multiple here now. He has a weapon. He stabbed 3 people now, and there's kids in the park, and I just left. Holy shit.
Okay.
Get police here now. Now.
All right,
now.
I'm working on it. Do you want to leave your name?
Help! Help! Somebody help! 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 Help him! Help him!
Hey, watch crossfire. Hey, don't come towards me. Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, back up. Get on the ground. Unit 2 Boy 11 says he wants to be shot. He's not going to put it down. Can you have Wells Fargo close their front door? Hey, sir, move. Move. Hey, get on the ground. Next unit, can you get a 40? Hey, back up. Hey. Hey, 2 Boy 11, can I get the air? 2 Boy 11, male Hispanic. Hey, step away from him. Hey, step away from him. Get on the ground. Hey, next unit, come off of Livingston. Hey, get on the ground, my man. No one wants to hurt you, but you need to get on the ground. Okay? You need to get on the ground. 2 Boy 11. He has that knife in his right hand, looks like, headed towards Livingston. Hey, get on the ground. Hey, move. Let me know when you're ready. 2 Boy 11. Come off at 2nd and Livingston. He's just walking right now. Looks like he's going to start heading northbound. Hey, we got a victim, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Per Unit 2 Boy 13, confirmed we do have a victim. Hey, get on. Hey, watch when you're ready for that 40. Let me know when you're ready.
Get it up now.
Hey, come on, come on. Huh?
40 now.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
40's up. Do it. Drop it. Drop the knife now.
Yeah.
Drop it.
All right, go, go.
Drop
Hold
the
on.
knife. Drop it. Drop the knife now.
40, I have 40.
Come here. Don't do it.
Is he down?
He's down.
Hey. Hey, hey, don't reach, don't reach. Don't reach. Don't reach. Stop. Hey, do not reach. Hey, get all the way down. If you want us to help you out, I need you to get down on the ground, release that knife.
Hey! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now!
Watch when you're ready for that 40. Let me know when you're ready.
Get it up now!
Okay, come on.
40 now!
Huh?
40 now! 40 now!
Let me know when you're ready.
Do it! Drop it! Drop the knife now! Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop the knife now!
Come here.
Don't do it! Hold back. King 2998.
Hey, don't reach, don't reach. Don't reach. Don't reach. Stop. Hey, do not reach. Hey, get all the way down. If you want us to help you out, I need you to get down on the ground, release that knife. You understand?
Let's go. Hold on. Don't fucking move.
Whoever has hands, come over.
Go ahead.
All right. Hey, lay on your face. Okay. Lay face down. Here, you know what? Drag him out. Drag him out. Drag him out. Face down. Let's get that close home. The other
Watch it.
Get the other one.
Got him. Partner, take this.
Okay. Need another one? All right, roll him on the side.